song ain't about shit.
Hey, this nigga funny.
But this bitch about to be lit, yo.
Mob.
Yeah, straight fully shit, nigga.
You know when we come,
Oh my
mob shit, man.
Told Paulo, shoot, he said no problem. He fully with a gun, so watch him. I'm smoking on loud, yes, high volume. I told him where he at, he gon' find him. Solo gon' shoot off the skateboard. My niggas need to be in the psych ward. Leave a nigga full of red like a vice lord. Stay with big cannons like a sideboard. Got a bitch on a bitch like a dicor. Got a clip on the clip, it's a cold war. Niggas turn a pig like a wild boar. Rice affected like a old sword. So I ain't trust a nigga surrounding me. Thought bitch can't get a dime from me. Instead her heads go between my legs. Call that shit a pedigree.
We been on a mission, point no except the feds. This shit it get bloody, you heard what he said. Don't talk about action, we come for the bread. He said the wrong word and is off with his head. Yeah, I'm fully and I'm really spazzing. Don't play, I been praying I'ma catch you lacking. I be riding with some niggas on the 9 to be towing hella 9, so they'll come on the 9 lacking. All my niggas some shooters, so they'll tryna make the block high. Need another hustle, I been thinking about the crack pot. Last name Smith, so don't make me turn a dead shot. If she run, hit her in the spine, that's some back shots. Cop the new nigga, need a 30 in the red shot. If he talk crazy, I'ma leave him in the wet spot. We been told Glizzy getting busy, that's a night job. Hate to leave him cold, so they'll call a nigga icy hot.
Got a time out, nigga, like school days. You the same, that smacked in the hallways. I'll go shopping in your trap like I'm all days. Just hit a lick, tryna make the path to tailgate. Y'all need to take a breather like a lunch break. If you ain't big as shit, you just dead weight. On my hip is a bomb, you can't detonate. I ain't greedy, but don't reach on my damn plate. It's possible that I will follow you. Lay in the bush and pop out on you. Chasing the side like a follicle, young nigga working the block like a prostitute. My niggas, they dogs, they growl at you. Gorillas, you think they Geronimo. These 40s, they bustin' your cantaloupe. Fuckin' with me, you get hunted like antelope. Pablo said, nigga, don't hold back. Nigga, take the shit back like raw crack. If a nigga disagree, you get laid flat. Get tossed in the bushes, then that's that. That's Pablo idea, I prefer the lake.
I grew up like that, I was brought up in the sewer shit. All the niggas shooting opposition with that cooler kid. Chopper try the nigga stand firm on the ritual. I swear it get physical if you come on that full of shit. Young nigga never went for all that fly shit. My nigga got a mob stick, we coming on the hot shit. Tryna advance, so plug that Chinese, cause the 40 stay ready if a nigga need a drop kit. These niggas ain't ready, they tellin' that's opposite. I be really pistol back and I be ready for this mob shit. I always shoot alone, I don't need a fucking sidekick. Yes, I am a felon, if you tell it then I pop shit. But you still catch me in the hood, they ain't missing you. Cut my nigga solo on the dolo when he bliss. And I don't trip for fun, how your mama feelin' miserable. He was just here, now the nigga is invisible.
Nigga, he a bitch, but he actin' like he real. I'ma take care of mine, I'm a young Uncle Phil. I'ma roll a backwood, get higher than Gil. I mean, wetter than a bird, like I don't know what's real. No surprise, niggas, all they know is still. No surprise, niggas, all they know is drill. Got dinosaur gun, walk around with bones. Tryna stake your con, all they know is kill. Niggas act tough, but I seen freeze up. You the type to ask questions before you put your hands up. You was hiding in the house when we tied your mans up. You was screaming out wild when we asked for ransom. I ain't tryna hear no talking, nigga, run the bands up. Went fully at your neck with worse than Dracula. My young nigga shoot just on the run down. So bitch wanna fuck cause I'm young and handsome. Sleep on the spot like I'm a camper. Then shit on you without a pamper. Leave him full of blood without a cramper. Get it? Period, no temper. This all don't mean shit, this is spirit of the moment. Young champion, I'ma kill my opponent. Way past a demon, I'm more like an omen. I'ma fuck a main bitch with a man, I'm trolling.
Hard as Kermit in the fucking city.